Welcome to another video. Today we are in Pembrokeshire and we're going to be exploring the area over the next 3 or 4 days. But it's sunrise at the moment, and just over here is the little town of Tenby. I've been here before and it's really pretty.
I've never been.
But Amelia's never been, so here we go. Little reveal of this beautiful spot.
There it is.
Whoa, there's the sun. Look at the moon, the sun. It looks so nice.
The moon. That's the moon.
It's not that cold, so we're going in. We're going in. Although it's still cold, it's 11 degrees, but we don't care. Here we go. Under the beach. Well, we're at the beach. We're going in the sea.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling a little bit chilly. The lower part, that dangerous bit on the buoy, is in. It's chilly though. Oh.
Well, you heard it, folks. There we are.
Okay, so we are just eating some breakfast.
Look at this amazing bench we found.
We found a pretty good bench here with this view. And then after breakfast, we're probably going to go for another swim. It's a bit warm now. It's nearly, it's just 9:10. So a bit warmer, the sun's a bit stronger. And it'll be
no clouds.
No clouds, so should be pretty nice. For breakfast, we've got hot cross buns, donuts, a banana, and some
peaches.
Some peaches.
But Joel doesn't like peaches.
I don't like peaches.
I think peaches are great. I think you would like them.
I don't know, I haven't really tried them. Maybe I should. Oh, they're soft and furry.
Yeah.
We'll see you when we're back in the water. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, so we're on the beach. We're probably going to be here for a couple of hours, and then we're thinking about going paddleboarding, like around these cliffs, because there should be like a couple of secret beaches around there, and some caves to explore. So
it's only 16 degrees, but it feels a lot warmer.
It feels so warm now. It's only like 9:30, but it feels so warm. There's actually someone paddleboarding already out there. But yeah, that's the plan. Relax for a couple, 2 or 3 hours, and then maybe go paddleboarding later around the cliffs, which should be pretty cool. And feel this heat, it's so nice.
Oh, I love it.
Love it.
Love it.
So guys, we've got some explaining to do. Basically, we just had a lazy beach day and we didn't really do much yesterday. But now we are on our way to a secret hidden spot in the North Pembrokeshire, which is supposed to be really, really nice. It's got like caves, maybe a waterfall in the cave, around the sea, and it looks awesome. I saw it online, but hopefully it's gonna be cool. But we're heading there now. We're literally 4 minutes away. We're in
so rural here.
Yeah, it's so rural here. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. I literally don't.
I don't know if you can see the sea. Oh.
It looks so nice. Can you see the sea?
It went blurry, sorry guys.
But we don't know where to park, but
it's gonna be sick, mate.
We just park anywhere because we're in Wales.
Sick one.
Yeah, let's have a look.
My G.
It's B, yeah.
My G.
My G. All right, G. Let's
G.
go. Oh, that looks so cool. Look at this.
This is so peaceful.
It's so peaceful. And I'm gonna ruin it flying my drone around. I'm joking. Well, I'm not joking.
Maybe don't do it near people.
No, we won't do it near people, but let's have a look around this. This looks incredible. Guys, this isn't even the good bit. Look how crazy this is. Are you ready for this? Watch how cool. Whoa. Guys, this is actually like insane. The water's so clear. It looks like the whole coastline looks incredible. Like the bit which is supposed to be really nice with like this green emerald water is like 700 meters that way. So, oh, so cool. I just want to jump in it. We're just gonna have a walk along the coast and check everything out, take some pictures and stuff, and then we'll probably paddleboard a bit later. But today we are definitely paddleboarding. Don't worry, we are.
100%. We've got to go in the caves.
Gotta go in the caves, gotta go in the water, gotta do all the cool stuff.
Yeah.
Guys, so we've just got, it's called the Witch's Cauldron. Look at this. Little pool. It's tempting to try to do a cliff jump into here. And then look at this cove, and then there's like more caves and stuff around there. But there's like no one here. There's like 4 other people here, and it's just stunning. The water is so green. Oh, I love it.
I love it.
We actually saw dolphins, put them in a drone clip in of the dolphins, and it was absolutely amazing. Okay guys, so we've just pumped up the 12-foot paddleboard. Here we go. It's from Bluefin, by the way, really good company. Just getting our wetsuits on, as you can see. And we are gonna go out and paddle around all the coast. It's gonna be awesome. We're just stocking up with some food, some water, and then we will be on our way. It's actually really warm with the wetsuit on when you're not wet, because it's black.
Especially after pumping up the
yeah,
paddleboard.
Pumping up the paddleboard is a good workout. I tell you that. Bit of hot cross bun, bit of fuel. Yeah, and we'll be on our way. I'm quite excited for this. It's going to be awesome. Exploring some caves, some crazy spots around this coastal region. Definitely recommend coming here. It's an awesome spot. Right, let's get ready to go. So we are out on the paddleboard. Look at these views. Amelia's just paddling. It's beautiful out here, so peaceful. Well, once you get behind these rocks, because we're up in the open a minute ago, it's so nice. Here we go on our Bluefin paddleboard. So we're going to something called the Witch's Cauldron, which I kind of showed you a little bit earlier, but we're going to go and paddleboard through it, and there's loads of different caves and stuff to explore around it. So quite excited. We've kind of a little bit broken the paddle, it's like a little bit snapped in the middle, but
My bad.
it was Amelia, but it doesn't matter because we're having a good time and we've managed to make it work. Got my goggles, so I can go for a little dive hopefully later. And it just looks so peaceful in here actually. So nice. Here she is paddling.
I'm redeeming myself.
She's redeeming herself for breaking the paddle. Here she goes. Better keep an eye out. We're about to go into the Witch's Cauldron. Look at this.
Whoa.
You're supposed to go here when the tide is low, otherwise it can be quite hard to get in. But
Is the tide low?
yeah, the tide's low.
Good to know.
So this is through these caves.
Oh, look in there.
Oh, there's a boat there.
Ooh. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but there is a boat.
Cool. Guys, that's the emerald green everyone's been on about. Look at that! It's so cool. Guys, this is awesome. This is the Witch's Cauldron. Oh, she said go through there and it opens up. A lady told us to go through here. It will open up. It's awesome. How cool is this? Whoa.
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 Wow.
Guys, this.
Duck.
Duck. We're currently in this cave and we're just going to go dock the paddleboard and have a little swim around. It's so cool in here. Literally so cool. Woo! How blue this water is, but it's actually crazy.
How green.
How green and blue. Look how green this is. Like seriously. Look at that colour. Whoa! That's magical. Swimming through here. It was amazing. And we're now going to explore a little waterfall through there. Okay, so we're both getting a little bit cold now, so we're gonna head, staying in the sun, because most of it... Are you done? Okay, So we're gonna both paddle back to the beach because it's getting a little bit cold and getting a little bit late, and then we're gonna watch the sunset, which should be an awesome thing to finish the day. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. So we have got back to the car. As you can see, the 12-foot paddleboard is drying off. So is Amelia. And we are going to probably cook some food. We've got some plain pasta because that's
all we've got.
That's all we got. But why not?
Well, if we put sauce in the car, it would have heated up all day, and that would not be
So we
nice.
just got plain pasta. But we might go fancy a bit later. But you got to save your money, travel cheap.
Got popcorn.
We've also got popcorn, a lot of it, a big bag of popcorn. So we'll have that. And then we're going to watch the sunset because it's so warm still. Like, I'm feeling warm like this. And it's, what is it, 6:30 or something? So beautiful. Look behind me, it's amazing. Look, the blue water, the cliffs, 2 kayakers, and that's sunset is coming in hot. So guys, this is our sunset spot. Look at the view this way, and then look at the view that way, and then look at the view in this way. I've got the drone out ready to get some cool clips. Gonna shoot some photos, shoot some videos, and get some awesome stuff. Enjoy this little cinematic sequence of the sunset. Woohoo!
If we never someone's gonna change.
Hey guys, so we've just had an amazing sunset.
It was so pretty. This is my favourite spot in the UK.
Is it?
100%.
Favourite spot in the UK. So if that's something to go on, then this place is somewhere to come. And it's not that touristy. It is pretty much a hidden gem in North Pembrokeshire. Guys, come here, but not too many people. Let's not override it, pick up the litter, all that stuff. Yeah. That is the end of the video.
It is very clean here also.
It is clean. It is very clean.
Known.
It is very clean. The water's so clear. Do come here. But anyway, let's do it again. That is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video where we'll be doing something else in Pembrokeshire.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.